Hey guys, I'm back here to show you new beautiful contact lenses. As you probably noticed, I'm a big fan of colored contacts because I use them a lot for my cosplay and original characters. And today I'm going to introduce you to a new brand that create amazing contact lenses. By the way, thank you very much, Lukureyes, for sending me these gifts. I'm gonna show you what's inside in a second. Actually, the moment I opened the package, I really loved it because, as you probably noticed, this is my favorite color combination, this purple and magenta all together. So yeah, I really love the design. And if you open, you can see this picture, and well, it's very colorful and I really love it. And actually, I love the slogan, "Delight your eyes," because that's exactly what you need when you're wearing your contact lenses. So let's see what's inside. Here is the design, the picture, and oh, that's all very beautiful. Okay, so we've got some packages and also some containers for lenses. I'll show you closer. Actually, that's the first time when I see such containers. I think it's very smart because they're totally transparent and you can see what kind of contact lenses you put there without opening the box. And as usual, you've got some tools for putting the contacts in and then getting them out. By the way, the guys from the company have warned me that for a better experience, I need to soak the contact lenses for about 8 or 12 hours before wearing them. And that's what I did yesterday. I soaked the lenses and I think they're ready to be used. So let's see how it works. So the first pair color is called Shadow Blue, and I'm gonna wear and show you. Okay, I'm actually quite impressed because I literally put in these contacts with my first attempt, and that's very rare. Usually I spend like half an hour trying to get them in. It's usually a very good sign. It means that the contact lenses are really comfortable and they've got the right shape. So it's like really easy to put them in and probably to get out too. Also, I really love this blue shade. It really stands out and I can see them from the distance, you know, that some contacts you can't see the difference. And with this color, I literally can see that they're blue, they're bright, but still kind of natural looking. So I'm very happy so far and I feel like very comfortable wearing them now. So I hope that you like them too. I usually have a lot of cosplay characters who require blue eyes, so I prefer to keep this kind of color by my hand all the time. So please write in the comments what do you think, what kind of character I could cosplay with these lenses. Alright, now let's take them off and put them back to the case. Okay, let's see our next box. This shade is called Nature Green and it's also very popular and very useful color. Okay, I must say it's really going well because just one attempt and they are in, and it's like so easy and comfortable that I've never had such an experience before. Besides these lenses, they look very transparent in the box, but as you probably noticed when I put the contacts in, the color, it really gets brighter and it's really noticeable. I was a bit worried that I wouldn't see the color of the lenses because my original color is something like grayish or between grayish and greenish, but actually I see a difference and it's like very nice, very natural and noticeable. And I use green contacts all the time for my series or trees cosplay, so this pair of lenses will definitely be in my kit. Okay, let's get them back to the case. Okay, our next stop is Paris Purple contact lenses, and I'm really excited because I want to see how this color looks on me, on my natural color. I think it should be something between pink and purple, but we'll see. Oh, look what a subtle and beautiful shade it is. It looks like a very subtle and beautiful shade of purple. So very gentle, very beautiful and soft, and I think it really complements my outfit. So it looks really great altogether. Okay, and our last lot is royal brown contacts. I usually don't use brown color a lot, but I prefer to keep just in case I am creating some dark-haired characters. Oh, actually I think this color suits me really well, because I started growing my natural hair like a year ago, and so my hair in general, they get darker, and I think this shade is like perfect right now. And also it gives me some sort of animalistic vibes, so I think I could probably use it for creating a makeup over an animal, like a wolf for example, or something like this. Or maybe Avatar. I think this color would fit an Avatar characters because, as you remember, they had brown or yellow eyes as well. Okay, now let's rate this color. So which one is your favorite? Shadow blue, this one, nature green, Paris purple, or this one, royal brown? Write in the comments which one you think suits me best. And also guys, Lukureyes and me prepared a little gift for you. So you've got 20% off with my personal code Naira. So you can use this code on their website for any contents that you like. And as usual guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time in the next videos. Bye!